Hey guys, today I start bringing out, I keep everything in the basement. This is the guinea. Right here says the pimenta. The June plum tree. Look on it. Still have June plum and they're getting bigger and bigger. The pineapple, our pine tree. Okay, in the back this is a new addition. This is the peach tree, and planted last year, and so far there's quite a few peaches on it coming up. All right, the apple tree, I had to bring it out because the leaves them in a drop off. This is a new addition. It has spring up. The leaves them fall off. This is the hog plum. Got the Bombay mango. Bombay mango tree. And over here, if you guys remember the sweet potato that I planted, this is it. And also over here is what you call Irish potato. This is my lettuce garden. I cut one already. It get too big, so I had to cut it. If you guys remember this box that I built, okay, over on this side I have callaloo. I don't know if you could see them coming up. It's starting to come up little by little. See them? Okay. Over here we have sorrel. Sorrel seed, they're coming up nice. I planted Scotch bonnet peppers over here. I don't see nothing yet. Over here I have cucumbers. You can see they're starting to come up. Over here I have papaya. I haven't seen nothing yet coming up on the papaya. Hold on. Nope. Nope. I haven't seen nothing yet coming up on the papaya. This here is the plum tree. And this is the first time I'm getting something from them. And the tree is, when I say the tree is loaded with them. It's the first time. So I just hope I get something. I want to keep you guys informed on it. Strawberries, they're coming back. Over here I have blackberry. It's starting to blossom. The raspberry is coming along. Grape is coming along. I can't really mess with this because every year I get a bird nest. And if you could hear in the background, let me see if I could catch him. Where are you, buddy? That bird is making all that noise, if you can hear it. Where are you? He's all over the place. He's in between there. Hold on. Let me see if I can get a nice shot of him. Can't see him, but he's up there. He's waiting for me to move. So let me move. Okay, here's another nest. Every year, this bird comes and makes his nest here. You know, I like birds, so I don't want to destroy it. You know, they gotta live. This right here is a fig. I got a piece of it from the tree. I break it and I stick it in the ground and it start growing. Even have a little fig on it. So we're gonna see what's going on with this one. These are my flowers over here. I put these all the way down to come around. I love flowers. This tree right here, it blooms once a year. Very nice. After it's finished blooming, I'm gonna trim it up. This one too. With these, I put these down about a year ago, and there was only one. It was one bud that I put down, and it spreads. Love these things. Over here, we had trees cut down. So the tree stump was there. There's 2 trees. So what I did was build a box over the tree stump and, you know, fill it with dirt. I have mesh around it. This is mesh. That's protection from the deers. This is the second one. And building up. This is the first one I'm going to use as an herb garden. So far I have parsley. I have sage. That one is back there is Greek oregano. This is thyme, basil, and this is Italian oregano. And I have some more to fill it out with. This one, I'm not sure what I'm going to put in this one, but I'll let you guys know. And this is just a little update on what's going on. You know, I love my gardening and yard work. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican.
Subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.
And like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.